The following is a demonstration of Reed Manufacturing's RGCOMBO2 Combo Roll Groover on 4-inch Schedule 10 steel pipe using Reed's 5301 PD power drive. The RGCOMBO2 is patented for its design. Reed's Combo Roll Groover comes with 2 support arms which screw into each side of the unit. The arms rest on the power drive for support. The first step is to install the roll groover into the chuck of the power drive. Be sure the flats on the shaft line up with the serrated jaws of the chuck. Be sure it is locked into the jaws of the chuck. Next, place the pipe onto the roll groover over the drive shaft. The pipe should be level and flush against the face of the groover. Secure it by hand. Then make it snug with a ratchet wrench. Set the depth gauge under the adjustment knob. Make sure the marked depth gauge matches the pipe size and schedule. When the knob rests on the gauge, the depth of the groove is set. Then remove the gauge. Be sure the 5301 PD power drive is set to reverse for clockwise rotation of the pipe. Pipe rotation is always clockwise as indicated by the arrow. Position the foot switch and attach the ratchet wrench to the groover. Start roll grooving. Feed the groover by tightening the screw comfortably until the adjusting screw is bottomed out against the top of the groover. Notice the tracking of the groove. Tracking is the most important feature of this product. Reed roll groovers are known for their consistent tracking ability. Notice how the pipe is flush against the faceplate of the RGCOMBO2 roll groover. If more depth is needed, reverse the adjusting screw. One turn deepens the groove by 1/32 of an inch. When the depth gauge reaches the bottom, a groove meeting specifications is achieved. When the depth is reached, let it roll 1 or 2 revolutions to ensure an even, consistent groove around the complete diameter of the pipe. When grooving is complete, reverse the ratchet wrench and remove the pipe. Remove the roll groover from the chuck jaws. For maintenance, Reed's Combo Roll Groover has 3 grease fittings. 2 are on the upper form roller housing, and 1 is in the inside body of the roll groover. This completes the demonstration of Reed's RGCOMBO2 Combo Roll Groover with Power Drive. For more information on this tool or any of Reed's quality products, visit our website at www.reedmfgco.com.